Now, let's see how we can update a record using Query Builder. So let's create a new method inside our students controller. So let's create a public function update data, and in here let's say db table. Now our table name, which is students, then after that our condition, for example, where id is equal to 203. Then after this we have to type update, and inside our update function we have to create an array. Then in here we have to specify our column, which column we want to update. So for example, let's open here to the 203. In here I want to update the name, so I will type the name. So I want to update the name and the new value of the name, for example, updated name. Now let's save. Let's create a new route for this inside our web.php. In here, let's type route get update data. Same thing that we did with the rest, we will do similarly for this one as well. We will type students controller class and our method name. Now let's go to okay, let's return something here so we can know it has been run successfully. So let's return updated successfully. Okay. Now let's go to our browser. Let's copy this from here. Let's go to our browser and change the URL. Enter. We got our text updated successfully. Now if I go to my database in here, let's refresh. So the name has been changed. We can change also the email and age as well. We can change multiple columns in the single function. So in here, for example, I will say the age should be 20 and the email should be is that email updated email at test.com. Now let's save. Let's go back, refresh, updated successfully. Now let's go back to our database, refresh it. Now the email and the age are changed as well.